Alright guys, welcome back to MT Cuts.
Today I'm doing the low tip on my man's YT. As y'all can see, he got dreads, so we have to put his hair in the bun. I also asked him if he wanted to fade the back. He said no, so I'm not really going to be focusing on that. I'm really going to be locked in on the sides and sides only. I'm using the brush to lay his hair down just because I want to make sure I get an even fade on both sides. Hey man, if y'all could just like this video and also hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate that. Left a comment if I helped you. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep going. Yeah, sometimes the brush is not going to be enough. You got to use a comb and just comb out everything that you see. Yeah, this is really helpful when you start fading. Let's go ahead and set my first guideline. So I start really low, close to the ear, because we're doing a low taper. I like to have those lines kind of crisp, close to crisp as much as possible, and then get to it. And right after, I'll go debulk with my #1 guard, starting from the roots of the, super close to the roots of the dreads, all the way down. This is helping me lay the hair down a lot again, just like before, making it easy for me to, you know, cut down the hair and start fading. All that bulk is just excess hair that we don't need. Usually he likes to keep his sides pretty short and even, so that's what we're doing. So all the barbers also, don't be afraid to use different angles to attack different parts. Y'all know hair does not grow the same pattern and same direction all around the head. I'm going straight in, no guard, open lever, and then I'm creating my first guideline. You'll see me use the corners a lot in this video. This is a low taper, so I'm not really trying to go that high, and the corners are allowing me to attack the specific zones that I want. Next up is my #1 guard. I'm gonna go ahead and attack the lineup between the no guard and the #1. Make a clean transition with my 0.5 guard on, or also called my 1/16. Now we're at the part where I'm just trying to detail and make this whole fade perfect. Right after this, I'll just be lining it up from the back of the ears to, you know what's in the front. I want to be able to show a little bit of that C-cup in there, so that's why I shaped it up that way. As of right now, you can't really see it, but once I line everything up, you'll see everything will be like more detailed. My whole goal is to make that C-cup pop. You know what I'm saying? I really focus on that C-cup when it comes to low tapers. Watch that vertical bar too. Everything is just coming into place, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta trust the process and trust yourself. Yep, so everything you do on one side, you just gotta do it the other side if you're not doing any designs and everything like that. So right now I'm gonna just sharpen, let y'all watch this whole transition happen again. I'm gonna go from making my guideline, debulking, you know what I'm saying, starting my fade from 0 to a 1, and then a 0.5, detail and line up everything.
his signature HD cuts, you know, get with it, of course.
So the way you approach your hairline really matters, man. I'm approaching the hairline the same way I approach the sides. I'm a debulk, you know what I'm saying? Like y'all just seen me comb out the hair at first, then debulk it. You know what I'm saying? Use different angles, many angles to approach that hairline. Then apply some hairspray just to hold the hair in one place and for it not to move when I'm lining up. And then brush everything down, let it dry, and then we're gonna start tapping into the actual lineup. I personally prefer to approach the one side and then head to the other side. So I'm gonna start in the middle, go to the left, go to the right, and then, you know, do the same thing again, but from the other side, from the middle all the way to the other side. So y'all see, alright, bro, I'm telling y'all, those things come in crispy when you do it properly. Y'all see the white line? I didn't apply no pen, no nothing. You know what I'm saying? This is straight off the hairspray and just how I prep my lineup. I always have a little hard time when it comes to lining up my clients on the right side because I tend to like tilt my hand a little bit, but I'm telling y'all, barbers, like, what if you're able to notice that, or if you are like a beginner and you know what I'm saying, you're trying to understand like what's the problem with, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to your lineup, whether they're not straight, whether or not, it's just your hand placement is everything, right? Just think about it. The blade is straight. The blade is straight. All you got to do is follow the shape of the head and you'll be good. Don't tilt your hand. Don't do it this, that, because then that's when, you know what I'm saying, your hairline becomes uneven. So really focus on keeping that blade, you know what I'm saying, in one position, but just follow the shape of that person's head, that client's head, and then you'll get them right every time. I'm telling y'all. I usually tilt the blade a little bit when it comes to what's called the corners, just because I want it, you know what I'm saying, extremely sharp and crispy. But then after that, it's just following the waves, man. Y'all see me clean up his face, approaching it with the razor. I'm saying those little details, they do matter a lot. I'm using my Laredo enhancements, and that is supposed to be a water resistant type of enhancements. Y'all see me line it up with the trimmer first, and then I'm gonna clean it up with the razor right after. It's really recommended to use the hairspray twice, but me personally, I really use it only once when I apply this product. Look how sharp it's coming, man. Look how sharp it's coming in. Reminder again, if y'all could just drop a like and drop a little follow for this video, man, I really appreciate y'all. Subscribe. I'm using my shaver to really make that the bottom of that line like skin and blurry, like clean. You know what I'm saying? And watch the results. You know what I'm saying, we coming in clean, coming in sharp, everything looking good, fade looking proper, and yo, line up looking majestic. You know what I'm saying? Left to right, vertical bars at the same level, lineup is good. If you aren't in the Toronto area, all my information to book a appointment with me are down below. So yeah, go ahead and do that, baby. Let's go.